Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, today I got a special treat for you Ford guys. This is a customer of mine, a good friend of mine too. He is the one who owns the 49 Ford that we're doing in our shop. And I'm here picking up the brand new flathead for it. And it just so happens he has his 79 F-250 Custom sitting here. This thing is awesome. He's had this truck completely restored. And this is the kind of truck he uses around his farm. Being we have crazy forest fires right now, it's already loaded with a water tank and big pump in the back to protect everything. So let's have a little walk around this thing. We have a set of Toyo Open Countries on here. What size are they? 315, 75, 16 with white spokes. All the paint has been redone to factory colors. We have a winch bumper with a worn 15,000 pound winch. That is awesome. Got the big hooks on it. I love that blue color. Everything's covered in ash right now from the fires. It's impossible to not get ash on your vehicle. This is a logger's box that he is unsure what make or model or brand it is. If anybody recognizes this or has seen this kind of box, please leave a comment. It's got all brand new exhaust, all the frame and suspensions all been restored. It's beautiful. And I love seeing people actually use their vehicles for work still, not just sit there. Have a look inside. And of course, you don't seem to find crew cabs around here very often. And with the original floor mat, all original seating. Look at that. 66,545 kilometers on this thing. Oh, forgot. We gotta look under the hood. We have an Optima battery. It has the original 400, has been rebuilt. Got some headers, Edelbrock manifold, Edelbrock carb, all Edelbrock goodies under here. It's not high performance or anything, nothing crazy. He wants it reliable, didn't want it overheating. And just to use around and enjoy. Oh, it's even got the dual battery setup. Just doesn't have a battery in there yet. And it is a 4-speed. Look at that beautiful grille assembly. And it's all original too. It's not an aftermarket one. That is beautiful. Just spectacular. So this thing actually is going to be insured to get put on the road pretty soon. It has not been yet. I believe it just got finished last year. So there you guys go. You get a quick feature on a 79 Ford that I didn't expect to see today. So thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.